Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been ages, but trust you me, it's not like I want to stay this long away from YouTube, but I'm getting my shit together. So if you're new here, you're so much welcome. Please make sure you subscribe down below. I'm Ngina. Welcome to Ngination. Anyways guys, today's video is about how I do my stick-on nails. I always do my nails. I've never gone to a nail technician simply because I went to school for that. But anyways, it's up to your creativity and how what you learn from this video. I've stayed with these nails for 3 weeks now, 4 weeks, which is the recommended time for you to stay with your fake nails on. So never ever stay with your fake nails on for more than 4 weeks. It's not healthy for your nails. So a disclaimer, you're going to hear a lot of
so now guys I'm just gonna, or I don't know, so now I'm just gonna.
You'll hear those words more frequently in this video because I did a voiceover and I've stayed so long without doing a voiceover such that it was so weird for me to do a voiceover. But anyways, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and if you want to comment something, please do so down below. I'll be sure to reply, and I'll put all the details of what I got and what I used down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So I'm just going to use my Diva nail file that I got from Best Lady at 70 shillings. I have the normal super glue. I have the stick-ons that I got from Best Lady at 95 bob. No, I got them at Super Cosmetics, I think, for 95 bob, but you can get them on the streets for 50 shillings. I have the 3D nail stickers that I got from Super Cosmetics, but I won't use them because it was a lot of work and time. So now I'm just going to file my nail plate to make the surface a bit rough. You have to do this so that your nails, the stick-on nails, can actually stick on your nails. So now I'm just going to use my normal glue. No, before using the glue, I'm just going to measure the stick-on nails to see which one fits my actual nails. So every finger has its own fit. You can't use like the same fit on all the fingers. You get the drill. So now I'm just going to file this specific nail because it doesn't fit my thin pinky fingernail. Where my skinny ladies at. So I'm just going to file it on the sides so that I can maintain the shape of the stick-on, so that I don't mess with that. And this doesn't take long. You just have to be creative and you just have to do it the way you like. And I've already done the rest of the nails except my index finger and my right hand nails. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I put the nails on the rest of the fingers. Why am I shaking? I don't know. Anyways, so now I'm just going to put like 2 drops of this glue, and it's so adhesive and aggressive on your skin, so you have to be careful because I hurt myself doing this, but I'm used to this because this is what I normally do. And it like poured on my palm, and it was so painful because I even lost some of my fingerprints. Can you imagine? Anyway, so I'm just going to redo that and put the glue again, and then press the nail on my actual nail. You have to make sure that there are no air bubbles. This is because you want the nail to stay there for as long as a month, and air bubbles make the nail like not stick well, so the nail just comes off. And I'm going to press that so that the air bubbles can reduce because it was a lot. Anyways, as you can see the close-up, from the close-up, I did not put the nail all the way down to my what is it called, to my cuticle area. This is because you want the nail to look as natural as possible. You want the nail to have the curve, the acrylic curve. You want the nail to blend in with your actual nail, and you want space to file the fake nail. So that you don't hurt yourself, please put the nail just above, like a quarter way up your cuticle area on the end of your nail. Does that make sense? Anyway, so now I'm just going to file all around so that it blends with my actual nail, and so that you can see the demarcation of where the fake nail is and my actual nail is. You don't want bumps, babe. You don't want Quasimodo on your nails. As you can see, there was a crazy bump right there. But I got rid of that. So anyways, the trick is to file and to make sure everything blends in place. You also have to file the top part of the nail. As for me, I had to do that because I don't like the French kind of design, the polished kind of design, the French manicure. So I wanted to go in with my colors, and these colors being like on the top, on the bottom of the nail polish I wanted, it will interfere with the color. You get it, you get what I'm saying. Anyways, this is not one of the best nail files, guys. I advise you not to get this one. Please get the one that is 120 grits to 80 grits, I believe. That one works best. Anyway, so now I'm just going to file on the sides to achieve the coffin shape that I wanted for my nails. You can do the stiletto nails, you can do the coffin shape, you can do the square, you can do the semicircle. The one that suits you, it's up to you. So anyways, I wanted the coffin shape, and as you can see, I'm filing on top of the fake nail so that I can get rid of the French manicure. And I know some of you might ask, why don't you just use nail polish? Because nail polish eats away this plastic. This plastic is too fake to use nail polish. Yes, that's the reality. So I advise you just file. And once you file and the surface is rough, also helps you when it comes to the drying of the nail polish. It dries faster. So anyways, I'm still filing this nail to get the shape that I want. I'm going all the way down to my actual nail so that I can get the triangular, kind of squarish, kind of stiletto-ish, not stiletto, coffin-ish shape that I want. So anyway, I'm going to pinch a small amount of cotton and pour nail polish and put nail polish on it. But I advise you to use surgical spirit instead, because as I told you earlier, the nail polish eats away the nail. So use surgical spirit, and again put generous amount of the surgical spirit because you don't want the cotton residues to be left on your nails. So that will make your work untidy once you're putting on nail polish. You understand, girls, I know you understand. Anyways, so I'm just going all over my nails, all my nails, and this is to remove the excess dust, the nail dust that was on my nails. So now I'm going in with my Luron in the color number 10 and color number 60, I believe. Number 60, yes. The number 10 is the normal polish, the number 60 is the shimmer polish. Anyways, I wanted a deep red glittery nail look. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply like 3 coats on each nail of the number 10. Then I'm going to also do 3 coats of the glitter on each nail. Let's see how that turns out. Although I lost the last clip of how it turned out, but you'll get to see how it turned out. So now you don't have to be a professional on how you apply this. For as long as it dries, boo, just go with it. I went to school for this, and trust you me, it doesn't help to this point. Not that I'm discouraging anyone from doing it, but it doesn't work, no lie. Anyways, I'm just going to apply, yada yada yada, and I'm removing the excess because you want your nail polish to look neat. You want it to look like gel polish. You want it to look so professional. You want it to look bum. And after I did the 3 coats, I waited for the bottom nail polish, the number 10, to dry first before I went in with the glitters, because you don't want the polish to smudge. Yeah, you can see how beautiful that is. So now I'm going in with my shimmer. The struggle of opening the tops, oh my god. Anyways, so I'm going to do 3 coats, as I said, on each nail. 1, that's just 1, it's not 3, that's 1. So I have to go all the way, 10 fingers all the way, then again second time, then now the third time. That's what we call coating, like the first coat, second coat, third coat. And yeah, you just wait for it to dry, go over it again with another coat, but you can go with as many coats as you want. For me, for the glitters, I go all the way honey, because I want the glitter to pop. Like, I want the color to be deep and intense, the red. Where my glitter lovers? Anyways, as I told you, I lost the final clip. I don't know where it chose to run to. I don't know, I really don't know, but we go through this and we get through this, and now we are here. So this is how it turned out. Yes, thank you Instagram for having this video. Right here I was just showing off my ring, my finger, my ring that I got from Dubois. And yes, I said it, I got this ring from Dubois, and I got it at drum rolls, Kenya shillings 250, y'all, 250. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Once you do the look, please send me a picture on my DM. Let me know how it goes. Mwah.